This man is very foolish.
How many people we can kill? The application for joinder is not right. It was filed today. And even if it's going to move, we are going to oppose seriously. Because this is a situation where we are saying that the people that called the strike are not, they don't have juristic personality. They are not registered under the CAMA and they are not registered under the Trade Union Act. So because of that, we are going to oppose any joinder because you cannot join something to something that does not exist. In law, the two people that the JWAC and the president and the secretary are not recognized under the Trade Union Act. That's why we're objecting. And now today we'll move the motion for interlocutory injunction and then it's adjourned to tomorrow for ruling on that. And by God's grace we'll be here tomorrow to continue the action. The most important thing is that we are talking about a government that is ready to listen. The mediation was going on and then they came to court. And then there are processes to be followed before you declare strike.
Now, if you watch the release, which you people have, one of their prayers before this court is asking court to order the defendants to unlock the gate. I don't know whether you get what I'm saying, and to stop the strike and to resume work. These are their reliefs pending before the court. Court is now trying to look at the reason why he should make an order directing them to go and open the gate. As we speak now, I learned that the minister have used the police and the army to unlock that particular place. That amounts to contempt of court. And we are now calling on Mr. President. This particular minister is making your government more unpopular. Yeah.
See him sneaking out. See him sneaking out. See Wike sneaking out. See him running. See him running. Ole! 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 See Wike running. See him running. See him running. Wike is running. Catch him. Catch him. Catch him. Catch him. Catch him. Ole! 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 Ole!